If you happen to snore, it's very likely that you are experiencing sleep apnea. And I should mention that sleep apnea is a very serious health concern. It greatly increases the probability of a cardiovascular event, heart attack, stroke. It is a direct cause of sexual dysfunction in males and females, cognitive dysfunction during the daytime. If you're experiencing a lot of stress, sleep apnea is going to greatly disrupt the amount of oxygen brought into your brain and body during sleep. So it's something that really needs to be addressed. And I raised it as a problem. I do want to raise the solution. One of the major treatments for sleep apnea is that people are starting to shift deliberately to nasal breathing during sleep, putting medical tape on the mouth prior to going to sleep, and then sleeping all night with medical tape on the mouth is one way that people can learn to nasal breathe during sleep and can greatly offset a lot of sleep apnea, snoring, and sleep-related issues.